the new Vice-Chancellor is an award winner, is recognized by government, recognized by peers, recognized by ordinary people. This is somebody from Garankuwa to Wedela, the mining township outside Carltonville, has had a journey that has taken her to the slopes of Table Mountain that the University of Cape Town is. And it's been a journey that has been about teaching, about learning, about education, about intellectual endeavor, about knowledge pursuit, etc. She's passionate about this project. So we're not looking for somebody who's passing by. And she chose to come to UCT, by the way. She could have gone to so many other institutions. So it does suggest that this institution appreciates excellence from wherever it can find it. And excellence is about all of those qualities and all of those things. I have no doubt, I mean, the support that is received from the university, from the selection committee to Senate, to various constituencies that formed part of this process, there was a clear recognition that this is somebody who attests to having achieved excellence under very, very trying and difficult circumstances. Her rising to this point must be an inspiration to many who might think it impossible to get there because of their background. Well, Max Price has done very well for University of Cape Town. He has navigated in a very thoughtful, deliberate, patient, and focused way some very tricky and difficult situations. And he's taken a lot of criticism from all constituencies. I've been at meetings where he has been under attack from students, from academics, from admin staff, from workers, from everywhere. He seemed isolated. And yet he has shown resilience, he's shown determination. He didn't throw in the towel. He showed himself to be capable of listening and understanding people, but being firm in what he believes in. Max Price is an example of that agency for change is not racially determined. He's passionate about the project of a transformed South African society. He's passionate about the transformation of your higher education space. He has achieved that in many respects. The diversity of this university speaks to that. Indeed, that journey is incomplete, but some very solid foundations have been laid.